Hi guys, as Singles Day, 11th of November, is just around the corner, I'm updating my quick Aliexpress buying guide. Why buying guide? The idea is that, I'm a cheap man. I love to lower the price in every way I can because it doesn't require much attention, it doesn't require much effort, and every dollar counts. So this year the sales started a little bit earlier, at least the warm-up days, but the largest sale will be on the 11th of November. That's the Singles Day. And this year, as I've seen on the banners, it will be available up to something like 19 of November, I think. So in this video, I want to show you all the ways that I'm using myself to lower the prices, because very often in my videos, in the comments for my videos, you're asking me how's that even possible, because you're wanting to buy something and then you can see that the price is different than the price that I gave you, and the price that I gave you is the final price that I've paid for an item. So let's start up the Aliexpress application. And there is a couple of things that you can use to lower the prices. The first one are the coins. You're collecting the coins by visiting the application. The best way is to do this on the daily basis, because after the third or the fourth day, you're getting the maximum amount of 70 coins per day. Yeah, so you're doing something like that. That's pretty easy, right? And since I'm visiting the app anyway every day, because I'm checking the status of my shipments, because I'm looking for some quick sale occasions, you've seen that. It took like 2 seconds. And to show you how it actually influences the prices, let's check. Yeah, I have something like 4,700 coins. That's let's have that in dollars, shall we? Yeah, that's something like $47. And if I will get to my cart and if I'll do the checkout, you can actually see that this works, because I am able to lower the price by something like $40 using coins only. So that was only from the coins. The second obvious way is to use coupons. The coupons, as you can see, are, you cannot miss that. That's the large red banner on the top of the page. And the coupons are just codes like those ones. You can collect them during warm-up period. You can see that I've actually collected some of them already. And you can see to get that number in dollars, divide that by 3.6 or just by 4 to have a rough estimate. So basically this one is for something like $80. And the largest one I've seen, this one is for something like $120 or $150. So using that coupon would give you $120 or $150. The coins can give you up to $50 in my case. If you can lower that by a larger amount, then why not? And there's also another thing. If you add something to your cart, and today is the right date, if you add something to your cart but you will not finish the buying process, you'll leave it there for something like 2 days, maybe sometimes 3 days, you will get automated message from the seller. Let's get to my messages, and in those messages you will have sometimes additional coupon. Not with this one. Let's take a look. Yeah, AIMA store. Yep. And AIMA says that since I have something in the cart, I will get additional coupons. I can collect them. Yep. And they are collected. They are valid until, these were valid until 30th, will be valid until the end of the month. So basically it's not much, yes, because it's like $2 of $125. But there wasn't much effort on my side. I just clicked that. So those coupons, the coupons from the sellers, are adding on top of the Aliexpress coupons. So it's not like you can use either one or the second one. You are able to use both of them and they will add up. And there's also a third way, or fourth now, no, the fourth one, because we had coins, we had Aliexpress coupons, we had seller coupons, and the fourth one is something called cashback teams. During largest sales, Aliexpress starts something called cashback, and the idea is that you are joining a team, and if you join a team, the total amount of the purchases made by the team members gets you the lower price, gets you cashback. So I got that as a screenshot from Ali because the table is interesting. For every member of the team, for every purchase you're making, you're getting a number of points. And if the total amount of points from the team reaches certain level, you'll get certain cashback. Just by joining a team, you're getting 2% of cashback. If you're buying an amplifier that's costing $1,000 or $2,000, that may be not much, but still it does count because it will allow you to get basically for free something like power cord. And again, doesn't cost any effort to do something like that. How do you join a team? You're doing a search for cashback teams. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's actually one of the amplifiers that I was reviewing lately. Okay, so you're looking for cashback, you're looking for cashback teams, and you're joining a team. After you join a team, you'll be able to make every purchase you're making to count towards the basic team achievement. And that final result will give you a cashback. So we've covered 4 ways of lowering the final price. There is also the fifth one, but the fifth one works for the guys in Europe only, as far as I know. The thing is that if you're buying something that's above 150 euros, then the VAT should be collected at your country. If you're buying something that's lower than 150 euros, the Aliexpress will add the VAT to the total price, and you will pay VAT with paying the total amount of cash you need to pay, and then VAT will be paid by Aliexpress to your country's treasury. But in case of amplifiers, in case of speakers, in case of preamplifiers, you basically easily cross the 150 euros threshold, which means that if you do checkout, then you'll have something like price adjustment. And the price adjustments are just VAT reductions. Those VAT should be collected in your country. And sometimes it is, sometimes it's not, depending on the country. So this is the worst case. If the VAT will be collected in your country, you will, in the worst case, you will pay additionally something like that. But this is the worst case. In my case, here, I'm usually paying, if I'm paying anything, because about 50% of the packages that I'm receiving do not require any VAT. But if I am paying anything, that's usually in the range of something like, how much that would be in dollars? That would be $50. Yeah, something like $50. So if I'm receiving a package with something like T9.4 clone, which is expensive, which is big, which is heavy, then I'll pay something like additional $40-50 on top of the lowered price. But the VAT for that would be something like, I don't know, $200, $300. So those are the 5 ways that you can use to lower the price. And the result is that if the asking price is something like $1,000, that's the price we are starting with, using coins, sale coupons, sale price, and VAT reduction and cashback, I am able to lower the price to something like $700, sometimes $650. That's a significant amount of money that I'm able to save. So use that guide. Use that guide because lowering that price, if you want to buy something, lowering the price takes literally about 5 minutes. You just need to click in a couple of places and that's basically it. And then you just wait for your shipment. So, do remember about the coins. Do add things that you want to buy to your cart like right now, because we have Sunday and 11th is just a few days off. You will be able to get some additional small but additional free coupons that will add on top of Aliexpress coupons. Do hunt for Aliexpress coupons. Those guys, you can click. As you can see, these are grayed out because I've clicked basically all of them. Not all of them. Okay, remind. I will get a reminder when those guys will be available, and that one too. Yeah, so use those coupons, and remember that those coupons are adding with the seller coupons, so you are getting the lower price in total. And do use the cashback themes, because again, it doesn't cost you anything. Do not worry about your personal data being stolen by Aliexpress or whatever. Why? Because in order to buy on Aliexpress, you have to have an account there. If you already have an account there, by joining a cashback team, you won't give any additional personal data or whatever. So these are the easy ways to lower the price, and try to use them. Why should you pay more than you need to pay? Yeah. One more additional thing. I will, as usual, before every large sale, I will update my recommendation list. I will link to the post with the recommendation list in the description of the video. And I will also update the link that's in my channel description for that. Yeah. So take a look at the recommendation list. And as you can see, I'm always having a lot of weird stuff in my shopping cart because I am waiting for some additional coupons. Yeah. So, thank you guys. I hope you will use that. I hope you will use that information to lower the final prices that you'll get on the items that you're getting. And remember that 11th of November, the Singles Day, is the largest single sale on the whole Aliexpress throughout the year. So if you were waiting for the right moment with buying something expensive, that will be this right moment. That will be the day that the price will be lowest throughout the year. But if you miss something, do not worry, because sales on Aliexpress are like, we have 4 sales every season, and then we have smaller sales every other month. The smaller sales won't give you the coupons as large as those bad boys, because those two, I can see them only once or twice a year. These are really large. $120 or $140, even more. I think that's even more. I was trying to do a quick exchange ratio calculation in my head, but I think I've done that right. Actually, let's check that. I'm pretty sure I have a calculator somewhere there. So 480 by 3.6, yes, 150. Yeah, so not 120, but $150. $150. Yeah. So enjoy that, use that information, have a great Sunday, and take a look at my recommendation list that's down there. Thank you guys. Have a great day.